Hello again, everybody. This is Dinami Wolf, and today we are playing ActRaiser, an awesome game for the Super Nintendo. This is a series I have been planning on for quite a while, actually. So let's start. Please create a name for yourself. Press B button to enter any letter you select. Press Y button to cancel a letter entry. Press Start button once you have created your name. So, I think I know what my name is. My name is Jessica, and I am the all-powerful. Are you awake, Sir Dinami? No, I am to be known as Sir Jessica. I am the angel sent to help you recover your lost strength. Now all types of monsters are in total control of the earth. This all came about because of a demon they call Tanzara, the one who sealed your power. In order to restore your power, you will need to rekindle the people's faith in you. What? Those curs forgot of me? But first, let us go down to the earth and destroy all monsters that we may establish our peaceful land for our people to dwell in. Alright. So, pretty simple. Observe the people. There are no people. Right? No one yet inhabits the earth, so like, everyone's dead. That works. Status of Master, I know that. I think. Yeah, that's me. Alright, so, please select the desired command. Yeah, fight the monsters. Sir Dinami, if we destroy all monsters in this land, people will be able to live here again. Sir Dinami, are you ready? Nothing else to do. May luck be with you! I wish you the best of luck, Master! Go and kill the monsters! Rekindle the people's faith! Alright! Fillmore, Act 1! Fight! I just killed a little gremlin. Because I'm racist against gremlins. Frickin' gremlin. I don't like gremlins. Ah! Monkey! Monkey, monkey, monkey! Okay, we're safe. Yeah, gotta get that score up. Birdie. Slidey slide. Okay. More gremlins. Oh, shit. What's with the glowy hummingbirds? Wait, that's a bee. That's a bee. That is definitely a bee. Ah! Monkey. Ah! Bee! It's been a while since I've played this. Give me a break. Ah! Ah! Old man tree! The most threatening enemy of all. Yep. He's got no head. Good. Alright. Ah, another bee. Not today. Monkey! Monkey, 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 monkey! Life! Ah! You frickin' bird! Ah, bee. Monkey. Log. Slide down the log. Monkey! What the hell? He is in the best of moods! What? You don't like this pose? Okay. Okay, he's in a good mood too. Oh my gosh! I take you to end. You leave now! Okay, okay, man. Just chill. Now, if there's one thing I remember about this boss, it's run to the corner and duck. He can't hit you here. Ah, Centaur Man! No, Centaur Man! No! Okay. Die, Centaur Man. Okay! Centaur Man has lightning. I forgot about that. Oh, shit! He still can't hit me in the corner, though. Oh, okay. You know, he'd hit me if he didn't curve his lightning. Centaur Man, you don't know how to use your powers right, do you? Ah! Okay. Centaur Man has been destroyed. With what could probably be considered cheating, but screw cheating. That ain't cheating. I don't have magic yet. That ain't cheating, because I don't have the magic yet. If I had the magic, I'd be using the magic, and I could have beat Centaur Man easy. Yeah. And from this, we create man and woman! From what looks like two dudes. Sir Dinami, Fillmore may become a land where people can live in peace. Our first duty is to protect our people from any monsters. I will do as you instruct. Please rid the land of these monsters with my arrows. You see, he's a talented angel. He has many voices. They are said from mysterious circles represent monsters' lairs. If you direct the people correctly, they will be able to seal the lairs. You will discover the monsters that control this land. If you destroy control of this land's destiny will return to her people. Alright, my master. Let us work towards peace. Sir Dinami, I know it's unexpected, but our people in Fillmore have something to tell you. Okay, so it was man and woman. So I hereby dubbed thee Adam and Eve. My master, we are having a difficult time building homes because of many bushes. Please burn the bushes and guide us as we begin to build our roads. Roger that. Alright. Roger that. Oh, shit! Where'd you come from? Ah. Die bat. Hey. You leave the people alone! Okay, how do I use my powers again here? Ow! Ow. How do I do that? Ow. Would have helped if it taught me, but here we go. Okay. So, to burn the bushes, I propose we use lightning. Your lightning can destroy houses, fields, rocks, palm trees, and bushes. Yes. Will you use your lightning to... Yeah. Use it right here. Oh, shit! Ah! Get out of here. Alright. Now, let's instruct our people. Yes, here. Follow the naked angel. Fillmore will be built just as you directed. And now we will get more people, hopefully. You know, once they get busy. Because they gotta get busy. I will burn your fields! You have not pleased me! Ah! Neither are these bats! Town under construction. Okay. That's good. Leave the people alone! So basically, I'm just gonna protect them. And talk! Sir Dinami, I know it's unexpected, but yeah, okay. Our master! We finally have mastered the skills of hunting animals. We now have enough confidence to fight monsters. Please lead us to the monsters' lairs. Yep, that works. You guys know how to build bridges yet, or do I have to leave that dragon alone? Yep, he's not gonna leave me alone. Hey! Hey! Whoa! Whoa! One per serving! One per serving! Sheesh. Getting carried away. Will you put him down? Hey, leave the homes alone. You are taking way more than you're allowed. Hey! Put those down! This is not going good. Not at all. So, with that, my people are dying. Straight off the bat. This series has gone off to a very good start. I sense many good things. Lightning them to death! Oh shit. The angel can't do shit now because he's too hurt. So, let's direct my people. I want you guys to build to here. You understand that? Leave them alone, please. Leave the people alone. No! Put them down. Put them down. Okay. Okay. They're safe now. They're safe now. Kill the bats. Kill the bats! Kill the bats! Kill the bats! Hot Town is under construction. Yeah, I know. Hey! Okay, I'm gonna lose the ability to help you people now. Are you happy? Because I can't help. You might want to rebuild those houses, though. Okay. Hey! Hey! Dude. Not cool! These people are defenseless without me. Because I suck right now. Alright, leave them alone, please. Please, just... Hey! Put them down! Dude! You're taking way more than what you need to eat. You only need one person to sufficiently fill yourself. Now stare at my angel ass. What's going on? Oh, they're fighting the monsters away! And their houses are getting blown up, because I am an insufficient god. Sir Dinami, our people have sealed the monster's lair without our help. What? Oh, they did it without our... Okay, it's him talking. I thought the people were saying, we don't need you. Yeah, okay. Sir Dinami, the civilization level of Fillmore seems to have improved. Yeah. Maybe because there's less monsters for me to fight off. You guys wouldn't have done shit without me, would you? Alright. I'm gonna take an offering from you. We have nothing to offer this year. You see, that disappoints me. You disappoint me. You all are disappointing. You know that? For that? Sir Dinami, I know it is unexpected, but you better have something to offer. My master, recently strange things have been happening to me. Many of my thoughts actually come to life in the real world. If these powers are the presence of something wholly radiating from the woods east of here. Okay. Woods east of here. North, south, east, and west, so... There's nothing there! There's nothing there. And I can't build because they're still building. I can't use my powers or anything. So, yeah. There's nothing in those woods, guys. Okay, here we go. So, I think at this point we're about ready to end the episode. But first, since you didn't have an offering, I shall torment you. Yes. Let it be known that I deserve an offering! Put those people down. They need to look at those houses that I've destroyed. Thanks for watching, guys. And also, we got a bunch of other series. You know, Mario, Ash Gray. I'm only gonna name those two right now. I'll name the other later. You guys probably already know if you've been watching. And we leveled up. Good place to end, I think. So, thanks for watching, guys. Later. Everyone's dead.